basically, we're going to introduce to our web page. And there are some following our community. So, what is a circulatory system? A circulatory system is composed of blood vessels, and its main function is to transport blood, oxygen, and yeah, without it, we wouldn't be alive. So basically, in the web page, you're gonna find the first page, the function, the importance of the system and organs, and the page 2, the robot information, and in the page 3, the programming. Here are like two links that you can visit if you want to like check about more info. And yeah, that's it.
The function and importance of the system and organs. The circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, has been extensively researched due to its critical role in maintaining homeostasis and supporting health overall. Researchers explore various aspects, including anatomy, physiology, diseases, and potential treatments. Here are some key areas of research: transportation of oxygen and nutrients, removal of waste products, regulation of blood temperature, transportation of hormones, immune response, and maintaining pH and electrolyte balance.
Okay, next we have the information about our robot. As we know, the cardiovascular system moves blood that carry oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste throughout the body. And the arteries moves blood away from the heart. The veins also carry blood, return blood from the heart, and the capillaries help with the cellular exchange. And this is why the system is vital to maintain many functions of the body, such as homeostasis. And well, these are the image of our robot. And our robot is planned to navigate up through the blood vessels to the brain. With this robot, we can attend many issues like stroke and blood clots or brain tumors.
And in the programming page, you can see the video that we made. You can now have a better idea of our robot, of what our robot is able to do. And here is a closer look of our robot and our descriptions of your project. And well, in conclusion, the circulatory system has a vital role in carrying oxygen and nutrients to cells and removing waste products. The video of our robot is an example that illustrates the efficiency of the system, and creating this web page was a great experience, especially like doing it in the first time, combining educational content with like these tools like the robot and well, and it's like a good idea to learn about.